Welcome to project based learning conducted by Zeal College of Engineering Pune. Our project material is glass and synthetic fabrics. Our project group members are Mayur Solim, Pranav Sonavane, Omkar Tandale, Saket Tingli. Our group project guide is Professor Survase sir. Case study of the glass. Cases are taken from everyday life. Glass is an unlimited and innovative material that has plenty of application. It has an essential component of numerous products that we use in everyday life, most often without noticing it. Synthetic fabrics. Synthetic fabrics has brought huge change in our life as it has given more number of options to our wardrobe. Synthetic fabrics fibers are prepared by scientists who has worked their order to improve natural fibers, so artificial fiber lasts longer as compared to natural fiber, as its resistance to heat, oils from body and another factor. Case study 1 of glass. It is clear that modern life would not be possible without glass. Glass is immensely versatile material used in everyday numerous applications, many that most of us are not even aware of. We use it to drink beverages, store food, and as windows in our homes and automobiles, and is also used in many unseen applications. For instant, glass components are used in medical, diagnostic equipment, in electronics, etc. Types of glasses are annealed glass, heat strengthened glass, tempered or tough glass, laminated glass. Its properties. The main characteristics of glass are transparency, heat resistance, pressure and breakage, and etc. It is hard in material and brittleness. Its weather resistance, insulation, chemical resistance, color and shape varieties, transparency, property modification. Correlation of glass. Correlation functions are the basis for understanding of many thermodynamic systems that can be directly observed by scattering equipments. While the correlation length stays rather constant in vicinity of glass transitions, the intensity of fluctuation is considerably increasing. Manufacturing technology. About selection of component. Most of the advances in glass manufactures are the results of industrial revolution. Mechanical pressing, sand blasting are techniques that have evolved only in last 200 years. The earliest method of making glass was vessel is known as core forming. Case study 2 of synthetic fabrics. Polyester derived from coal and petroleum. The fibers are the result of chemical reaction between acid and alcohol. The exact process which the material goes through, which the specifications are kept secret because of competition between different companies. The fabric is exceptionally durable and long lasting compared to natural fibers. Polyester. Since polyester is man made, the toxins used may cause irritation or become uncomfortable or on the skin. Types of synthetic fabrics, that are natural fabrics and synthetic fabrics. Properties of the it synthetic fabrics. For example, they can be flexible and elastic, or stiff and strong, or they can have high or low water absorbency compared to the natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are usually more water, stain, heat, and chemical resistance. Correlation of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are formed by extruding a fiber forming substance called spinning dope through a hole or a hole in shower head like device called spinneret. Used. Identify manufacturing technology and about selected components of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made from chemicals. They are generally used on polymers and are stronger than natural and regenerated fibers. It is often easy to identify what type of fiber or fabric material is by the look or touch alone. Its advantages are strong, thermoplastic, easy to care for, inexpensive and easily available. Thank you.